I'm Angela Blackman. I'm a real estate agent in South Florida, and here is a little bit about this house. It's a beautiful home in Vero Beach. It's a small community. You're gonna love it. Let's go enjoy. New roof, and that's why this content is outside. But this is a very small community. You can see the HOA taking care of the landscape and everything. It's impeccable. It's beautiful. And this is the house. This is one side. This is the other side. The whole house is complete impact window, including the front door. It's a very nice house with open concept. This is one of the guest bedroom. This is the guest bathroom. This is the second bedroom. Wood floor, vinyl floor. The whole house was painted. It's very clean. This is a linen closet. The living room, the kitchen, it's nice, a lot of space. The master. This is the master bathroom. Another linen closet, shower. There is two closets. Big closet. This is a very good size. And also there is another one closet. This is the master. Very private. The window goes to your backyard. All windows intact. Very private. All appliances, it's new. Fridge, dishwasher, stove, everything. It's a really nice house. The air conditioner is 2013. A brand new washer and dryer. And a good size of garage for 2 cars.